morning, guys. The time is now 4:09 a.m. I am getting dressed and getting ready to get out of the house, okay, and make my way to the airport because I am going to Miami. This will be my first time. This is just a day trip, okay, just a day trip. Yes, and I'm wearing this jumper from lovelyWholesale.com. I reviewed this in my last try-on haul for them, so I just feel like this was just quick and easy to throw on. Okay, I'm gonna put on my sandals and a blazer though, because it's always chilly on the aircraft. So yeah, this is gonna be the look. Let me go ahead and put on my oil for my legs, okay, and some sandals, and we're out the door. And I just reviewed this wig, so I got all this wig boxes and all that stuff over there on the floor. I got to throw that out and we'll be on the way. So I already have my bag packed. I'm carrying my Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the Azure canvas, okay. I have my day essentials in here. Day essentials. This is all I'm taking. Some wipes. I'm going to put my Crocs in here just in case. Headache medicine, a little cash. My ID, passport, my driver's license, y'all. I can't even lie. It's still expired. So I'm going to just use this for my ID today. I'm going to take my water bottle just in case. You know, you just never know. And I'm going to put my Crocs in here too. I'm going to do this mustard blazer with this mask and these white sandals. So now I am all dressed. All right, we need to be getting out of the door. It is 4:25. Okay, this flight boards at 5:30. So, all right, let's go. Got me some bananas. I got 2 bananas in here to eat in the boarding area. All right, so now we are headed to the airport. Alright, so we've made it to the airport. I just gotta go and park. Yes, the moment I have been waiting for. We'll just get our boarding pass tonight on the way home. It's not quite first class, but name carried extra is second there, so I'm happy. Hello there.
Bigger than a cross bag, you must put that in the underneath the seat in front of you and make sure everything is stowed neatly.
And so this is what we had in the goodie bag. I'm not really sure what this is. What is this? Hand sanitizer. No, this is a cookie, right? Okay, cookie. What else? Those sticky things. Okay, and a t-shirt. This cart is completely full. As soon as we land, besides our nail, we had to have some adult beverages. It's something good to eat.
In front of you for an overhead bin. All sacks and tray tables are in the upright and locked position. Everyone must require compliance with all lighted signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions.
Alright, so we're landing.
some baggage more?
Okay, so we're just getting off the plane. We're outside. I thought we were gonna be landing and going inside a nice air-conditioned area. I'm not complaining though, but we're already getting a taste of the weather, which is not that bad. I think it's like 80 something degrees, so. Alright, so right now we're just walking, trying to find our way out of here. But Jimmy said that he knows about the tram or the bus or whatever, so that's what I'm all about. I'm trying to do some touristy stuff. Ooh, have a drinky drink first. Darnell and Coop. Okay. So we're making our way outside. Oh, those are stairs. I don't want the stairs.
We get enough exercise.
Oh my God, enough.
For the bus. Oh, this guy. Let's ask this guy. Okay, no problem.
Okay, back in and go up. We're making progress.
Oh, it's free. The bus is free.
Oh, okay.
You sure then? Yes. I promise you. This side I'll pay everybody's way. It's free.
Do you remember now, Jimmy? There, straight
Yeah,
ahead.
straight ahead.
All the buses are this way.
Okay.
Huh? Well, break and come back. This side is better, Misha.
something. So we're gonna pick some place to eat. We're in Miami. It don't matter to me.
I'm just trying to get us in the heart of everything.
Thank you.
That's it?
This is I'm gonna get the
Look how pretty this is, a pineapple mojito. I can't believe how cute that is. This is definitely an experience. Now what do we have here? This is the shrimp, the chicken, and the beef.
I just wondered, you woke up and you did. Okay, first. Can I have your your silverware?
I do need that. It's different. Hers look so good. Look at Millie's. Oh, look at mine. OMGG.
Moro.
Now let me get the pictures. I'll just be doing the most.
Want to write some like this? Just in case you like, okay?
Oh, love it.
That looks so good.
All right, somebody say grace.
Grace.
I knew you were going to say.
Okay, I'll say grace. Father God, we just thank you, Father God. We ask you, Father God, thank you for just us coming together. Thank you for this trip. We ask that you bless the food made. Now we can replenish our bodies and the food that those who do not have in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Take a picture of it.
That still looks nice. Okay.
I have a friend.
We'll have to get one of these next time.
Yeah. So cool. I remember.
Thank you. Oh wait, my mask. We're in H&M.
So cool in here.
It is.
But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget. I had this out of the Maybach and I want to sleep back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them dick.
Paratrooper training. But, yeah, man.
Alright, so we made it to the beach. OMG, it is so beautiful. Look at little Jimmy.
You went about right here, didn't you? You went about right here, didn't you?
Yeah,
This adult Capri Sun is the bomb. What did he say this was? Hennessy? Or mine was Hennessy and passion fruit. Yes, it is.
It's got a lot of energy.
It does. It is so strong. Oh my God.
After this,
Yeah.
My son.
It's the tan for me. Alright, so we're checked back in on our way back to Huntsville. I had a great time today. Alright, so I'm leaving. I had so much fun. So much fun. So this ride back should be better. I got first class, but I know I'm going to eat my food and go to sleep. Thank you.
Avoiding the bumps and also to try and get the seatbelt sign off as soon as we can. Climbing out of here, might have a few bumps. We're going to be going to the west of some areas of rain showers also.